So for today's video, I will be showing you on how to fix your League of Legends Vanguard error VAN68. So first you need to access or open simply your web browser but in this page. So in this method, I'm going to use the Google Chrome, but you can use any web browser based on your preference, just like Mozilla Firefox, Edge, or just simply some Opera. So after that, you will be going to search for the support-League of Legends.riotgames.com, and when you're in, you will see the Vanguard error codes and their solutions as well. So for you to able to find the solution for the error VAN68, you are going to scroll down, and under that you are going to find the VAN68, which is right here. It is located right there. So you are going to click on that, and once you already click on that, it will show you the error, which is it has a connection error. So you should try troubleshooting your network connection and restart your League of Legends as well as your Riot client as well. So for you to able to check your network connection, make sure that your device is connected successfully on your Wi-Fi. So basically, if you don't see your Wi-Fi has problem, just restart your League of Legends and your Riot client as well. And it should be better now. So that's how you fix League of Legends Vanguard error of 68.